everybody, my name is Jeremy and this is our discussion. I went ahead and I actually gave all the survey questions and everything else when I gave this application out to be tested last week. So I kind of mixed this video in along with the video that we turned in on Thursday. But basically with this application here, we got the day of the week. So you can kind of choose from a drop down or a picker. I'm trying to decide which one would look good on the UI. As you can, with the space limit, with the limited space, I don't want the user to scroll up and down. But here you can go ahead and pick which day. Still haven't got Envision to go ahead and actually choose the day and enter in the day right here. Been working on that this morning. For all of these are the same. They're all the same style. They're just pickers, so it made it very, very simple. Oh, let me actually scroll down here. Very, very simple to use. This app is designed for the Retina, or the layout is designed for the Retina display, so nothing older than the 4, I guess you could say. And so everything here you can see is the same. I go ahead and click on the save button. It gives some of the questions I initially asked. What was your overall impression of the app? Was it fairly easy to use one-handed? How hard was it to fully understand? Is it designed easily enough to find all your tasks? What was confusing, if anything? Would you feel comfortable using this app and walking? And then by clicking the thank you button, it actually brings you right back to the main screen. And then you can go ahead and click on the tabs and see all the tasks that you have saved. This app is not fully functional inside of Envision yet. I kind of want to tweak that out today, but the main responses that I got from it, just from the basic UI layout that I have, is one would be the text field for the amount. So instead of a picker or a drop down, to go actually use a text field, so that way they can just enter in the numbers numerically real easily and get on with it. The other feedback I have was to go ahead and tally a total per week. So I'm probably going to go ahead and add that somewhere in here, to go ahead and add how much you spent so far per week, as well as per month. I want to go ahead and add in there. And add like a slider on the left for the week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, just in case you're starting in the middle of the week. Also, to tap and hold function is one thing I got, to go ahead and remove it, so errors that you entered in there, I actually left a space here for a delete, but I think the tap and hold someone mentioned would probably be the easiest route about it. Just go ahead and tap and hold to get rid of that entry that you've already entered in there. Overall, I did get good feedback for the application. The main goal of it is just to be nice and simple. So I did get a lot of good feedback on that. My actual design that I wanted to incorporate into the application actually got pushed out pretty well. They got a good feedback. On that. Everybody liked that it was nice and simple. You can use it one-handed while you're walking. I didn't use too many iOS 7 UI elements or their style into this application, because I don't have really too many pages to jump back and forth on. I just kind of went on my own route. Gonna go ahead and fix that, change that up, see where I can implement some iOS 7 into this application itself. I just kind of wanted to go on a different route than the majority of the apps out there today. They're all the same. I wanted to kind of incorporate this slider method on the side, which is being used more and more now with Google and Hangouts, and of course now with Messages, where you slide your fingers from the screen and it'll actually go to a different part of the screen. I want to kind of jump on that bandwagon on that, but I'm gonna go ahead and work on this and revise it and actually add in all the feedback that I did get, and we'll see what I come up with by the end of this week on the next video. Alright, well, thank you.